In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method to your MoonPay account so you can start buying crypto with ease. MoonPay supports cards and sometimes bank transfers, depending on your location. First, open the MoonPay website or app and sign into your account. If you're new, just create an account and complete the basic verification steps. Once logged in, go to your profile or settings section and tap on Payment Methods. Here, you'll see options like credit or debit card, and in some regions, bank account. Choose your preferred method. For cards, enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure the billing address matches your card details. Some users may be prompted to verify the card with a small temporary charge. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete it. Once verified, your payment method will be saved and ready for crypto purchases. If this video helped you add a payment method to MoonPay, please like and subscribe for more crypto setup tips. Thanks for watching.